Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Enda Setiawati. I make this video for my final exam study Introduction to Psycholinguistics, and in this session I wanna discuss about language production. What is language production? Language production is production of spoken or written language. And language production refers to the process of generation and expression thoughts, idea, or message through spoken, written, or gestural means. It involves the selection and organization of word, grammar, and other linguistic elements to convey intended meaning effectively. Language production involves generation and expression linguistic content in real time, often occurring spontaneously and without significant pauses. This process is commonly observed in activities like speaking, where individual formulates and articulates thoughts concurrently while maintaining a continuous flow of communication. So language production involves two simultaneous process, the thought process and speech process. Language production also divided into 4 stages, namely conceptualization, formulation, articulation, and self-monitoring. Conceptualization is the first step in language production. It means how to conceptualize the speech in our mind. According to David McNeill, conceptualize is the very beginning of spoken utterance. There are two concurrent and parallel modes of thought. The first is syntactic thinking and the second is imagistic thinking. Syntactic thinking creates the sequence of words which the typically thinks of when we talk about how language initiates, and imagistic thinking creates a visual mode of communication. Syntactic thinking and imagistic thinking collaborate together to conceptualize conversation. And the second stage is formulation. We formulate this thought into a linguistic plan. In a formulation stage, speaker formulates concept into words, and during this process, speaker makes many errors. And we're going to the third stage. And the third stage is articulation or articulating. We execute the plan through the muscle in the speech system. After the word and phrase have been conceptualized and formulated, at the third stage, they are translated into the sound and syllable of actual speech. Articulation is the term used for all action of the organ of the vocal tract. And the last stage is self-monitoring. In this stage, we monitoring our speech, assessing whether it is what we intended to say and whether we say it the way we intended to do. Self-monitoring stage presumes that people don't just communicate with others, they communicate with themselves. They don't just listen to others, they listen to themselves. And that is my discussing about language production. Thank you for listening my discussion, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.